I think that our girls really played well. The whole tournament, each and every game, they played well defensively and offensively. Also, we shared the ball a lot. I think that it's very important for us to really establish an identity um, moving forward for our youth program. And hopefully we're off on the right foot. Especially itong Siaba, we already know kasi qualify tayo for the Asia Cup. So of course, we wanted to win Siaba, but we also wanted to really take a good step forward in building up for the Asia Cup where medyo sabihin na natin yung mga powerhouse ng mga kalaban natin. Sobrang saya, sobrang saya. The girls were a pleasure to coach. And they're good. They're good. They're good. They're fearless. And considering yung time that we spent, medyo siguro, let's say 10 out of the 12, we had around 4 practices lang together, 10 out of 12. But maganda yung ginawang programa, yung plano ng SPP, led by si Waspakon Austria, and then si Magno Membrere, yung manager namin, wherein we had a pool already na sinama na namin mga 16 and under. In that way, we were able to really get a lot of practice going. So medyo kahit hindi kompleto patsa-patsa, but we wanted to make sure na yung concepts or what we wanted the girls to get, makuha nung kung sino man yung nandoon at that particular practice. I'm also very fortunate na yung assistant coaches ko, si Coach Ailey Bornia and Coach Jed Austria, from Kenya, from UST. Sila talaga yung sanay na sa women's basketball. So they were a tremendous help sa akin. And then even halos lahat ng mga pumaligid sa akin talaga, ang laki ng support. So it was the tournament wasn't easy, but it made things easier for me because of the people surrounding me.